Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, I'm super excited because today I'm going on a Rae Dunn hunt for Christmas items. Now last year I did not get any Rae Dunn Christmas items at all, so this year I definitely want to find some because I definitely want some mugs for my coffee bar. So we're going to go on this Rae Dunn hunt. Wish me luck, and hopefully I can come home with a ton of Christmas Rae Dunn.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Well, I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got on my Rae Dunn hunt today. Now, everything I'm going to show you guys is Christmas Rae Dunn. I am super excited because last year I did no Rae Dunn hunting for Christmas. So I finally found a few things that I'm going to use on my coffee bar. So I'm excited about that. So I went over to Home Goods, and the first thing I saw when I walked through the door was the tank was sitting there full of Christmas mugs. So I was lucky enough to find a couple different mugs in the shiny red. I absolutely love this red color. It's red inside. This one says Cocoa. I picked up 2 of these, and they're priced at $5.99. I also got Jingle Bells. And again, I like to pick up in pairs of 2 because I like to use them on my coffee bar. And then I found 2 of these that say Santa. And I put probably about 4 mugs on my coffee bar. And then what I do with the extra mugs, I like to use them in some of my other displays and put little mug toppers on there. So as you can see, this mug here that I found, this one is white with the red lettering. It says ho, ho, ho. It's red inside. This also came from Home Goods. And I think this is going to be a gift. I'm going to give this one to somebody. And what I did is I made some more mug toppers. I was having so much fun making them that I decided to make another one. So I think this is going to be a gift for somebody. This here. And then the other thing I found, the other mug, also from Home Goods, was the North Pole. This one is the little mug topper. It's got the little Santa hat. Now this is priced $9.99. And I found one of these. And then also at Home Goods, I picked up this gift set. This is the peppermint cellar with the little mug that says Cocoa on it, that's in red. Absolutely love this. This is $16.99, so I'll have this to use in one of my displays. And then I found the little rolling pin. It says Joy to the World. Now the rolling pin's priced $7.99. It's got the little wooden handles. So we'll see. I'm going to use this somewhere to decorate with. And then I also picked up some Christmas bulbs. Now I found the 3 of these. They're in red, that shiny red. These were priced $12.99. This one says Jingle. It says Santa and Wish. And what I did was I was shopping over at Walmart. I was really impressed at Walmart. I actually went over to my mom's area over in Pinellas County, and they had a lot of Christmas items out. And I tell you what, they had some beautiful stuff. So I ended up buying a small little flock tree. It's probably like a tabletop tree. So I was thinking maybe these Rae Dunn Christmas bulbs I would use on them, use on that tree. Now I picked up these. There's 4. You get these 4 for $16.99. These came from Home Goods. This one says Santa. It says Holly, Jolly, and Jingle. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to use these bulbs on my flock tree, and hopefully they're not too big. And then I was able to pick up another set. This one says Merry. I think it says Wish, Joy, and Love. And that's white with the black lettering. And then also from Home Goods, I had some really good luck. I found the canisters. This says Ho, Ho, Ho. This is the little small canister. This is priced $9.99. Now, I never did come across the red shiny canisters, which I would love to find. Haven't seen those yet, but I was also able to pick up the larger canister that says Peppermint. And I love these because, again, I can use these in my displays when decorating. This was priced $12.99. And then I found the little tumbler that says Merry Christmas. I generally don't use these little tumblers like this, but I'm thinking, you know what? When it gets cold in Florida here, it'd really be nice to put some hot coffee in here or maybe some hot tea and take this on one of my Rae Dunn hunts. So I think I'll use that. I'll just have to get used to using those type of cups. And then that's all I got on my Rae Dunn hunt today. But I want to share with you, I've been making mug toppers. I absolutely have so much fun making them. So these are on these paper plates because they're still drying. But I was able to make another one with the little peppermint candies on there and the little straw. And I am going to do, on my next video, I'm going to do a tutorial teaching you guys how to make these mug toppers because they're really easy. And I've been playing around with them a lot, so I've been getting better at them. And then I thought the little gingerbread with a little cinnamon stick was really cute. So these will look so adorable on your Rae Dunn mugs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed going on this shop along with me and this Rae Dunn hunt. So until next time, happy decorating!